So who are you?
My name is Howard Ferris. I'm the Dean of the Transportation and Energy Division at MassBay.
Thank you, Howie. And tell folks that weren't able to attend today a little bit about our automotive technology programs and what opportunities are available at MassBay for people interested in that area.
We have 4 automotive programs affiliated with manufacturers: Toyota, General Motors, BMW, and Chrysler. We have a 21-month associate degree and certificate program to train entry-level technicians for dealerships. It's a fantastic program for somebody that wants to come into the business. We require the students to specialize in one of the car makes so that they learn that manufacturer's technology in detail. Once you get out of the program, you can transfer that knowledge in about 6 months, but to be able to cover all that material for a manufacturer in depth, we have to be able to stick with one. It's a dual certification where students will receive certification from the manufacturer and the associate degree or certificate. It's an invaluable education today to get a jump start on your career.
And what are some of the things that separate us from our competitors out there?
We strongly believe in having a co-op component with our programs. That's where, while you're in the program, you'll actually be working at a dealership or an independent repair facility, learning with a mentor technician in a real-world environment. Although we have vehicles supplied to us, as you can see here, from the manufacturers, like 65 of them, it's in a lab situation which is very structured. The real-world experience with a mentor is invaluable for both the student and for the dealership.
We're affordable. And tell us a little bit also about our placement rates.
Very affordable. We're half the price of some of the private schools with twice the education. And while you're at the dealership for co-op, you actually earn a salary. It's not a large salary, but does offset the cost of the program. Again, why our students are better off at the end is because of the dual certifications. So you have the real-world experience at the dealer, and you'll also have the certification from the manufacturer and the associate degree.
So you get paid while you come to school, you earn a college degree as well as your certification, and 98% of the graduates are placed in jobs in the field within 6 months of graduation.
Well, actually 98% at graduation because of the co-op piece. Quickly on, the students realize what they need to do to be successful. A lot of times, a lot of them haven't had full-time employment.
State-of-the-art equipment, as fine vehicles as you'll find anywhere. It's a changing field where it's no longer, grease and wrenches, but rather electronic equipment and so forth.
Absolutely high-tech. In fact, this afternoon I was talking to a IT professional that wanted to change careers. There's so much computerization and IT-related equipment on our cars that it's a lot different than when I started in the business. We get the latest and greatest from the manufacturer. That's why we partner with manufacturers. We have 2013-14 vehicles. The curriculum, they train our faculty and certify them. Components, we wouldn't be able to afford to have the resource without the partnership with the manufacturers.
Well, thank you very much, Howie.
You're welcome.